Welcome to another First Contact Polymer informational video. Today's topic is using First Contact polymers to clean phase masks. Phase masks are highly precise optical components with extremely fine surface features. Even small amounts of surface contamination and improper cleaning can permanently affect their performance. When used correctly, our polymers are one of the safest and best performing cleaning methods. After placing the phase mask on a clean, stable surface, dispense polymer with a pipette or pour directly from the bottle onto the surface of the phase mask. Using the surface tension of the polymer and a brush, gently pull the polymer across the entire surface all the way to the edges. This technique allows the brush to move through only the polymer rather than contacting the optical surface, eliminating any risk of damage. Apply a coating that is thick enough to produce a dry film that will have the mechanical strength to peel itself cleanly from the surface. After allowing the polymer to begin drying for a few minutes, you can embed our chemically resistant mesh or unwaxed dental floss into the polymer. If removing using a peel tab, wait until the polymer is fully dry. Drying typically takes 15 to 30 minutes, although the exact time will vary depending on the coating thickness, temperature, airflow, and humidity. Once dry, peel the polymer from the surface. The solvents have broken down light oils on the surface, and the liquid polymer has encapsulated particles, allowing it all to be lifted away with the dry film. If the phase mask will not be used immediately after cleaning, the dried polymer film can be left on the surface until ready to use. This will reduce the opportunities for contamination during storage or handling. As you can see, First Contact Polymer is an excellent nanoreplicator. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other informational videos.